This is Pioneer Field Agronomist Scott Eversgerd with this week's weekly agronomy message. Yesterday evening, Sunday evening, brought some pretty heavy rain across southwest Illinois again. Some areas receiving up to 4 inches overnight, and here continuing into Monday morning. With that, we had some acres of beans go in the ground into last week, over the weekend, and obviously those beans are going to struggle a little bit to get out of the ground, being pounded in pretty good. One thing we have seen this year with the high rates of treatments we are using on soybeans is these beans are coming out of the ground as long as 2 to 3 weeks after planting. So as hard as it is, please be patient, give the beans a chance, and a lot of times we are going ahead and establishing a pretty good stand. From a corn standpoint, it is amazing what a little bit of heat, a little bit of sunshine will do. The late April, early May corn has really taken off and growing extremely fast. This corn is going to gain a leaf about every 3 to 4 days, so it's going to grow extremely fast. Please pay special attention to any labels, as even something like glyphosate has a label of V8 or 30 inches broadcast and up to 48 inches using drops. So as you can see, that label does stop at 48 inches. The other question I'm getting quite a bit is nitrogen on corn. With all the rainfall, how much nitrogen have we lost? Obviously, we have the equipment nowadays to come back in later and put some more nitrogen on. So if you really have a lot of questions around nitrogen, get a hold of your local rep, and we'll have to talk through that kind of on a one-on-one basis and see what forms you use and whether you use nitrogen stabilizers with that, and we can try and get a handle on where maybe your nitrogen rates are at. From a wheat standpoint, I was traveling this weekend down to Memphis, Tennessee, and actually northern Arkansas, saw a wheat harvest starting down there. So we use the old adage that the harvest line moves north at about 100 miles per week. That 250 miles south, that would put us about 2.5 to 3 weeks from now, we'll be cutting wheat here in southern Illinois. So, again, if you have any questions, please contact your local Pioneer rep. Thanks.